Yo, what is up, my golden boys and girls? Chandler here. Welcome back to another Beyblade video. And today we're finally going over another 3D printed Bey. This one here is called Raptor Falcon. This one was designed by AYCBE, I don't know how to pronounce it. And then Mystic modeled it. Mystic Zone of WBO, good friend of mine. So thank you to those people for helping making this possible. This is Raptor Falcon, heavily inspired off of Captain Falcon from the F-Zero franchise. If you don't know him, I'm shocked, but if you don't, I completely understand, so. Anyway, this Beyblade is an attack type. It doesn't really have any special gimmicks. It uses the 7 armor, and it uses Nexus Extreme, and we're using Metal Extreme. As you can see, nothing special. It's got normal clicks. You can see the 07 design for his number there. And you can see the 2 golden falcon heads with their beaks. So I don't really have much to say about this Bey. It's really cool. If you want to see a video on how to make your own Beyblade, I could probably see if I can make one of those possible. But anyway, without further ado, let's just stop talking about it. Let's do some battles. Now, what I'm going to say is 3D printed cores aren't the most reliable. So luckily for you, I happen to have another one here. A little more banged up, but this one's more for looks. So we'll put this aside, and we'll be battling with Raptor Belial Nexus Extreme Dash. So without further ado, let's get into it. So of course, we'll start with a test launch. Kind of what you expected, nice and fast. And let's start off with Death Solomon. Already got a KO. Those beaks are designed to do a little bit of damage as they're kind of hooked, similar to Judgment, so we'll see what happens. I'm just going to throw Beys in at random, and we'll see what results we get. Thanks, Raphael. Already got a KO on it. Let's do it one more time. Alright, next up on the chopping block is Jet Wyvern. This is 3D printed out of just normal PLA, by the way, if you're ever curious, so. It's not that sturdy, but. Yeah. Also, we just burst Jet Wyvern. That's actually pretty nice. Hang on one sec. Next one is going to be against Flare Dragon. I don't know why I pulled this one out, but we're doing it against Flare Dragon, so Flare Dragon. That was a bonk. Alright, next up, Infinite Achilles. I think we may get outspun here, because we're on extreme, we don't have a lot of stamina. And that looks like a draw. Alright, next one up is Lucifer the End. A lot of people's favorite. Self-KO. And then Lucifer just kind of finishes the job. Let's do one more. And I guess that kind of counts. Okay, next one up is Prominence Phoenix. Solid KO. Next one up is Tempest Dragon. We got Gatling Dragon coming out pretty soon, so super excited to see that. KO. World Spriggan. And I soft launched it. We'll see if we can KO it, spinning at a slower spin speed than us. Well, looks like that's not going to happen because we would have been out of stamina. Let's do it one more time. A little bit higher from World. But that left spin ain't being too kind to us. Alright, I'm gonna grab Astral for the next round because we should at least do somewhat better. Yep. Alright, Astral Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. And we are just out of there. Straight into the wall. We'll just see what happens here. Since we're just losing stamina. Alright, next up is going to be Wizard Fafnir. I really want Wizard to win this. That was not a okay win. And that goes to Wizard. Prime Apocalypse. And we get it nice out there. Alright, next up, save your Valkyrie. Strings in there. I'm gonna redo that because Savior hit my hand. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright. Just gonna do a couple more matches and then we should be done. Let's grab out Roar Bahamut. That was just bad positioning on my part. Solid hits, but it's Roar Bahamut. Not really easy to win against this one. Alright, next one up is going to be Guilty. Guilty says, no, I guarantee if we launch it again, we're not going to win. We actually did almost win. Alright, last one, and the last one is going to be against Dangerous. Do that one more time, and then we should be done. That was a little scary. That wasn't... Oh, come on. That wasn't even supposed to happen. Oh my god. You know what? I am about to lose my mind. Okay, you know what? We're gonna launch... There we go. Alright. Yep. So, not the best stamina with the combo I've chosen, but just an overall kind of normal attack combination. The blade definitely hits hard. Now, I wouldn't say it's like the hardest hitting thing in the world, but it certainly is up there. So, yeah. And I will actually do a test launch with this, just so you guys can see what it looks like when it's spinning. And it's not actually screwed in right now, because my last couple ones broke, and I haven't had time to screw this in. Which is why I'm using this to test it, but then again, these teeth just wear out, so there you go. Pretty cool. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe. Anyway, if you want to see the model, if you want to get the download to this, I think link will be in the description. If it isn't, I just want to keep it. I don't know. Anyway, have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay awesome, and Beyblade.